Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Buell's Kitchen. And today is Sunday. We just thought we're gonna make some chicken. This is not gonna be ordinary chicken curry or chicken gravy because today's weather is very nice and it's going to be 26 to 27 degrees, and it's very hard to find this kind of weather in Ireland. So this is summer, so people are enjoying outside, so we just thought maybe we can make some barbecue. So we're gonna cook it outside and we're just gonna show you how to fry the chicken, and it's going to be very Indian version, and we're just gonna use some spices from India, and we're gonna fry it on the pan, and we're just gonna use some ketchup and mayo, and we're gonna eat that and enjoy our evening. So that's a plan. So come on, let's see what we can do. Now friends, we have taken an old chicken here. I just bought it today, and I just got it in offer, and it used to be 4 euro 54 cent, and I got it for 3 euro 64 cent, which is a good deal for this old chicken. So we're gonna use this now. So I just show you how I'm cutting this chicken, and I'm gonna take it in big pieces and we're gonna fry this. Now friends, just take a chopping board and just a bowl, and take off this outer covering. In India, we'll buy it from the butcher, and he will cut it for us any desired shape. Here you can get it like that as well, but I always prefer like this, and it's very simple to cut the old chicken. So let me show you. Just take off all this and just keep it aside. Just keep your chicken ready like this. There will be a small thread here, so just take it out like this. Now friends, here my chicken is being washed now completely. So just before you make the marination, make sure that you wash your chicken. So it's well washed now. So just take this bowl, just take a small bowl like this. I'm sorry, it's not a small bowl, it's a big bowl. So we're gonna start adding our mixture, the marination. So that's very important to make barbecue. So here I have some natural yogurt. So here I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons, or maybe just use 3 tablespoons. So that's the first thing you need. And the next is the ginger garlic paste. Here's the ginger garlic paste. It's a homemade one, so I'm just going to use, so here I'm going to use about a big tablespoon. This is the garam masala. So here I'm going to use some teaspoons. So I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Next is the turmeric. Just half a teaspoon of turmeric. And this is the cumin powder, so I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And this is dhania powder, so we'll use 2 teaspoons of dhania powder, heap spoons, that will give a nice taste. Now chili powder. This is very spicy chili powder, so I'm going to use very little. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Just 1 teaspoon and a half, 1.5 teaspoon. I have some chicken masala. You can buy this in Indian shop if you want to buy it. It will give nice flavor. Now next one is the black pepper. This is homemade black pepper. You can buy it as well. So just use 1 teaspoon. And the last is the salt. I'm just going to use about 2 teaspoons. And if you need it, we can add later. I'm using one whole lemon. It's quite a big one, so I'm just going to use 1/4 masalas. So make sure that mix well. So that's it. It smells gorgeous, friends. So this is the way it should be. So we'll start adding a chicken. So just add all your chicken here. Here, friends, I'm going to use little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. There's my son, can't wait to eat. So he's waiting for the barbecue. Actually, I don't have the barbecue vessel, but I have a small pan. So I just thought I can make it for him. He'll be so happy. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili as well. That will give nice color. So it looks very bland here. So I just thought maybe I can use that as well. Here's my Kashmiri red chili powder, friends. So this powder will give a nice color to this barbecue. So we'll add about 1 tablespoon. It won't be too spicy, so you can use it. So you can give it a mix now. Now, friends, I have set it 2 pans here outside. So it's just getting heated up. So I'm just going to use it with the frying pan. And my chicken is ready now. I have some olive oil, so we're just going to use this and we're going to fry the chicken. And my son wanted to say hello to everybody. Come on, say. We can't wait to
hello everyone! Look at my binoculars!
So let's make it now. So it's hot enough now. So I have 2 pans ready here, as I said. So I'm just going to use some olive oil. Now we'll just take the chicken and we'll just keep it. I'm just gonna sprinkle little oil on there. Just put little bit of oil over the chicken. You happy, Sharak?
Yeah.
So it will take about 6 to 7 minutes, friends, to cook it. So once it's completely cooked, it will be nice to look at it. And we're gonna eat this with a little bit of ketchup and mayo.
I want ketchup and mayo.
I'll give you. Once it's done, I'll give you. So let it cook and make sure that you flip it off in the middle so that it will cook evenly.
So the chicken was making the heater. So I'm gonna just cover it with the chicken and wait for a few minutes. So the chicken is ready, and we're using this part to make it this. And
It's just getting ready now.
it's just getting ready now.
Another 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes. We'll show you, friends. So the chicken's ready. So we're gonna make the chicken upside down again. Only gently. So the other one, the part was over there. So I'm gonna make it a little bit like this and make it brown. It's gonna be halfway. Only a few minutes. So see you in a bit.
I don't have the grill, friends, so once I have the grill, I'll fry it in the grill. Here, friends, it's almost ready now. It's a tasting time. I hope you can see this. I'm just gonna serve it in a plate. I'm gonna eat this with some salad. Here's the chicken tandoori barbecue, friends. It's all ready to eat now. My son can't wait to taste it, and he loves it with a little bit of ketchup and mayo. I have made some avocado salad, so we're gonna enjoy this with avocado salad. So this salad is very simple. I've already showed it in my channel. So you need to put a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil and some vegetables, whichever vegetable is your favorite. So just take a piece, and I'm gonna ask my son to taste it. It's hot, isn't it? You can just squeeze some lemon as well. And we're gonna put a little bit of ketchup and mayo. So tasting time. No, friends, it's a tasting time. So my son is going to taste it. It smells gorgeous, friends.
Wow, it's yummy and tasty. Super.
Thank you so much for watching our video, friends. This is a very nice outdoor vlog. This is my first time to do a barbecue in the outside, but once we made the proper vessel, we'll make the barbecue. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll upload nice simple videos in the future. God bless. See you. Take care, friends. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sorry, yeah.